don't know how this starts off with the music, but I don't know no copyright thing in this music that we're listening to. We're gonna be putting together a 20-inch lowrider. Everything hand polished, twisted up, polished by hand, using a mother's aluminum with mag polish. No wheel or nothing like that. We got double and single twist on the forks. With this lowrider bike, it has some cage twist as well. The pedals, kickstand, twisted handlebars, mirrors, brackets for the fenders. Everything's all put together. I mean, we have the 36 spoke twist with gold with lowrider rims on it. Lowrider wheels, sorry. Have these two, but for this lowrider, we're gonna go with the for this lowrider, we're going with the 144 spoke Daytona with the white wall, all white, no letters or nothing like that, front and back. The frame is a 20-inch twist. Get it. For the frame, we're going with a 20-inch twisted frame, black with neo color, glitter inserts. I don't want to say glitter, just custom paint. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this together. We're gonna be going with the billet, with the bullet dummy light. Well, not a dummy light. Still haven't put the batteries in it yet, but it's an actual functioning light. We're gonna put this side as well. We're gonna put the cage twist, pedals. Since I got kicked out of milk, last 10 years, been a cold jungle. In the streets, selling dope to my own uncle. Born thug, they gon' hate me till I'm bagged up. In my casket, I probably still be handcuffed. What do you see in my hood? I see gangsters everywhere. Call this one the dice.
Looking dope on the kitchen appliance, no trying. If you can't keep quiet, I put 17 sissy bar on. Twisted, single. Put on the chain guard, original Lowrider.
My soul rocks, I was raised with no pops. My 4 blocks, twisted hooks like donuts. Bitch offered me the pussy, so I took it. They call me a crook, but that's short for crook. Staying high as hell, I'm drunk as fuck. You ain't down with the mix, you sick fucked up. I mean, duck my sick, I mean, suck my dick. Don't laugh, bitch, you know what the fuck I'm in. And if I ever come back to the free world, I'ma take my baby girl out to SeaWorld.
20-inch Lowrider put together here at the house. I'll put air in the tires here in a few. Yeah, but this is the finished product. Beautiful bike put together. Yeah. And might build another one soon. Appreciate it and have a blessed day.